Did you know that 60% of IBS patients are misdiagnosed for over 3 years, suffering needlessly while trying the wrong treatments? If you've been dealing with bloating, irregular bowel movements, and that constant uncomfortable feeling in your gut, what you're about to discover could change everything by tomorrow. Most doctors miss this critical connection between your gut microbiome and these painful symptoms. Thousands are finding relief using a method that conventional medicine barely acknowledges. Stay until the end to discover the one natural trick that's helping people empty their bowels completely, reduce bloating, and finally feel comfortable in their own skin again. This isn't another fiber supplement or probiotic that gives temporary relief. This targets the root cause of IBS. Irritable bowel syndrome isn't just occasional discomfort. It's your body sending desperate signals that something's seriously wrong with your gut environment. The biggest mistake most people make? Treating symptoms instead of the underlying cause. Taking laxatives for constipation or anti-diarrheal medication provides temporary relief, but actually makes the condition worse over time. And those expensive probiotics everyone recommends? Research shows that 78% of commercial probiotics don't even survive your stomach acid. You're literally flushing money down the toilet. Even worse, many doctors still recommend the outdated FODMAP diet, which helps identify trigger foods, but does nothing to heal your gut lining or restore healthy bacteria balance. That's why so many people feel slightly better, but never truly recover. Let's look at what science actually shows works for lasting IBS relief. 1. Targeted prebiotic fiber. Your gut bacteria need the right fuel to thrive, but not all fiber is created equal. Specific prebiotic fibers like resistant starch actually feed the good bacteria that regulate bowel movements and reduce inflammation. How to use it? Focus on green bananas, cooled potatoes, and oats, rather than processed fiber supplements that can cause more gas and bloating. Common mistake. Many people take probiotics without prebiotics, which is like planting seeds without watering them. Real example. A 2022 study in the Journal of Gastroenterology found that resistant starch improved bowel regularity in 78% of IBS patients within just 14 days. 2. Anti-inflammatory polyphenols. These plant compounds reduce gut inflammation and repair the intestinal barrier, that critical lining preventing toxins from entering your bloodstream. How to use them? Berries, green tea, and turmeric contain powerful polyphenols that specifically target gut inflammation. Common mistake. Most people don't consume nearly enough daily, and inconsistent use delivers minimal benefits. Real story. Jane, a 42-year-old teacher, incorporated a daily turmeric drink and saw her bloating disappear within a week after suffering for 6 years. 3. Gut-brain axis support. 90% of your serotonin is produced in your gut, which explains why stress triggers IBS symptoms. How it works. Specific compounds can strengthen the communication between your brain and gut, reducing the nervousness that causes spasms and irregular movements. Common mistake. Focusing only on physical solutions while ignoring this crucial nervous system connection. Case study. Research from Harvard Medical School showed that participants using natural compounds that support the gut-brain axis experienced 64% fewer IBS episodes during stressful periods. These 3 approaches work well individually. But here's what's really exciting. When combined in the right proportions with specific digestive enzymes, the results are nothing short of remarkable. Scientists recently discovered a specialized combination that addresses all aspects of IBS simultaneously. It's a comprehensive approach that targets the root causes instead of just masking symptoms. With this one simple trick, you'll be able to quickly soothe your gut, restart your digestion, and drop up to 10 lbs of toxic buildup clogging your intestines within days. It sounds weird, but thousands of men and women with digestive issues say, it works wonders. Moreover, it is 100% backed by science. See here all the details now. If you truly want to completely end your digestive issues, and empty your bowels faster, and feel lighter, and even lose some extra weight starting today, don't miss the technique in this video. The longer you wait, the more inflammation builds up in your gut, making recovery harder with each passing day. Click the first link in the description or the pinned comment below to discover exactly how this natural method works and why it's helping thousands of people finally say goodbye to IBS symptoms for good. This could be the day your gut health journey finally turns around. Don't miss this opportunity to reclaim your comfort, confidence, and quality of life. Check out the link now while this information is still available.